See this, as you know that there are about 25,000 teachers which have in-service teachers which do not have the TET qualification. So, and the Honorable Supreme Court on the 1st of September 2025 have mandated that all the teachers, be the in-service teachers or uh, uh, in service or the future recruit, they should have the TET qualification for elementary education. So based on this, so 25,000 plus teachers, they didn't have TET, and this order is effect retrospectively, it's not prospectively. So that means all the teachers since the appointment, those who don't have TET, they have to appear and pass, and that also they have to pass within the 31st of August 2027, within 2 years. And those who have only 5 years of service, also they have to pass. But if they didn't pass, they cannot get promotion. So taking into consideration of that, so we take that that as in-service teachers, they are qualified to appear TET. So the notification have been out. The process of enrollment or applied is on, and the date also have been fixed. So I wish that all the teachers should apply, should appear, and should pass, so that if there is any future complication, it will not